guys, today we were gonna show you a not so little pet lamb, Lightning. So he will basically turn into a Weber, a castrated male lamb. It is less aggressive than a common lamb. So to begin with, castrated means the testicles of a male lamb has been removed, but I call it the boy bits. Lightning is drinking his daily dose of milk. I feed him before I go to school.
Where's Lightning? Where is Lightning?
And yes, he does follow me every single day down the hill to the bus stop. As you can see, Lightning's tail turned into a pom-pom because when he was about 2 weeks old, we dug his tail as well as his boy bits. It is to prevent Lightning's poo
Here's your
from
bus.
getting stuck onto
Don't
his
run, don't
bottom.
run. Lightning, come on, come on. Lightning might follow you. Lightning, no.
He
Come on,
really
Lightning.
wants to go on the bus
Lightning, come
with
on.
me.
Lightning. Come here.
Lightning's sad
Come here.
when I'm not in the waiting
Ate
shed
Bunny, what?
anymore.
Come here now. Come here. No more ate. Come here. Come here. Come here. Yes, I know. Come here. Lightning. You can say ate after school. Come on. Kaloy. Hurry na. You can play with mama. Oh, you go home now. Let's go in the cow shed.
Lightning's new friend, PJ, and the rest of the cows. Of course, nobody forgot about Bernie. He is Lightning's very, very, very best friend.
Hi, Bernie. Hi, Bernie. Oh my god. Hi, Dash.
And this is Dash, our neighbor's lamb.
You know, this is as fast as a dash after the incredible.
Really?
How did Lightning even keep under there?
This is what Lightning does when he has no playmate.
Ako na di ka di right? You want to ride in the swing? Okay?
Right now, I am training Lightning for golf club because next month he will be in a competition. I brush Lightning's wool to make him fluffier, and he loves it so much. Next time, we're gonna show you Lightning's adventure at a golf club competition. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Team Canada and Dad Family Channel.